To make the flower pot, you need the required amount of cement. After taking the required amount of cement powder, you just pour some water and make it as like a paste. Next, you need a plastic bottle and a basted cloth. Place the cloth on the plastic bottle and you just apply the cloth together. Take the cloth and you just place it in the cement solution. Set up the bottle first. Then cover up the bottle with plastic covers. Then place the towel into the plastic bottle. After placing the towel, water it once daily. After waiting 3 days, you just remove the plastic bottle and the plastic cover. Now the cement flower pot is ready. Coloring is an optional method that enhances the beauty of this pot. Next, we will fill the pot with the soil. After filling the soil, grow your favorite plants on it. If you are seeing my video in first time, then click on the subscribe button and also enable the bell icon. Then you will get the new updates of my videos.